NetApp Implementation Engineer SAN Specialist E-Series, NCIE, NS0-516 exam dumps questions are the best material for you to study. Share some NetWPP NS0-516 exam questions here. 1. What mechanism governs control of the E-Series storage premium features? Choose the best answer. A. Simple password system. B. Special USB flash drive that must be inserted into the controllers. C. Small toggle switches on the controller boards inside the system. D. Key file obtained from vendor and passed to system via SANTRI-CD. E. Online database requiring the controllers to access the Internet to activate features. 2. During a routine review of firewall logs, an analyst identified that an IP address from the organization's server subnet had been connecting during nighttime hours to a foreign IP address, and had been sending between 150 and 500 megabytes of data each time. This had been going on for approximately 1 week, and the affected server was taken offline for forensic review. Which of the following is most likely to drive up the incident's impact assessment? A. P of company employees and customers was exfiltrated. B. Raw financial information about the company was accessed. C. Forensic review of the server required fallback on a less efficient service. D. IP addresses and other network-related configurations were exfiltrated. E. The local root password for the affected server was compromised. 3. Which 3 factors should you consider before you install an E2860 in a data center? Choose 3. A. Current draw. B. Electromagnetic interference. C. Heat dissipation. D. Ambient temperatures. E. Fire suppression capacity. 4. What does the storage system use to preserve cache data in the event of a complete controller failure? Choose the best answer. A. Cache mirroring. B. Flash read cache. C. Prefetch caching. D. Read caching. E. Write caching. 5. An administrator is asked to provision a 1 terabyte volume to hold non-critical temporary data for a seismic analysis application. The volume requires the highest possible IOPS. In this scenario, which configuration would satisfy this requirement? A. RAID 6 dynamic disk pool with a 256 KB segment size. B. RAID 5 volume group with a 256 KB segment size. C. RAID 0 volume group with a 32 KB segment size. D. RAID 6 dynamic disk pool with a 32 KB segment size. 6. Which NetApp tool provides information on size, weight, acoustic noise, and power of NetApp E-Series systems? A. Interoperability Matrix Tool. B. Hardware Universe. C. Active IC. D. Config Advisor. 7. Which 2 actions must be performed to enable ISCSI multipathing on Windows for NetApp E-Series systems? Choose 2. A. Set up ISCSI IP addresses on the E-Series system and the Windows host. B. Install the host utilities on the Windows host. C. Create 2 VSANs on the ISCSI switches. D. Install a host channel adapter, HCA, on the Windows host. 8. In the AMW, which tab provides access to Ethernet management port configuration and premium feature enablement? Choose the best answer. A. Storage and copy services. B. Host mappings. C. Configuration. D. Hardware. E. Setup. 9. What happens if one disk chosen for a volume group has a capacity of 2 terabytes and the other 5 disks have a capacity of 4 terabytes? A. FANTRI recognizes all disks as 2 terabytes. B. FANTRI will never allow this combination. C. FANTRI allows the creation of the volume group but places it offline until you add another 2 terabyte disk. DFANTRI recognizes all disks as 4 terabytes. 10. You are setting up asynchronous mirroring between two E2860 systems. In this scenario, which 2 prerequisites are required to complete the setup? Choose 2. A. Both the primary and secondary systems must be using the same subnets for mirroring connections. B. The secondary system must have 2x the storage capacity of the primary system. C. Both systems must be discovered by an Enterprise Management Window (EMW) or FANTRI Unified Manager. D. Both the primary and secondary systems must have the same premium features licensed.